Hi, it's Woody Huffines with NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas with your Nerd Nugget of knowledge for today. And today's Nerd Nugget is, treat emails just like you would a door-to-door salesman.
Yes, how are you this evening? I'm from Frost Bank, and it seems like that your account has been compromised. And for us to apprehend the people who compromised your account, I need you to confirm your account number, your online password, and your online username. Could you give me that, please? Hi, I represent the property owners in the Caribbean islands that have hundreds of properties that look just like this one. And today only, if you would like, for only $200, you can reserve a week at a fabulous property like this for only $200 for you and 3 of your friends. That's right, 4 people, a property like this for a week in the Caribbean. And all we need is a small deposit today of $200. And because we understand that $200 is often a little more than you want to put on your credit card, you can reserve that property with 2. That's only 2 $100 Amazon gift cards. Go to CVS, buy those Amazon gift cards, and send us the numbers, and you and 3 of your friends will spend a fabulous week in the Caribbean at this kind of property. Your Instagram account has been compromised. Please, on this piece of paper, give me your Instagram username and password, and we'll check on that.
Yes, ma'am. I believe I'm here to help you. You see, there's a little matter up in Collin County where somebody missed a jury summons, and ma'am, that'd be you. Judge McIntyre up there has issued a bench warrant for your arrest, and, well, for a $400 cash bond today, we can get that took care of, because I hate to tell you, I'd hate to see a pretty little lady like you end up in handcuffs on the way to jail in the back of a dirty old police car. We'd like to avoid that now, wouldn't we, ma'am? $400 would be worth that.
We're concerned that you might have been a victim of identity theft. So if you'll give me your driver's license number, your social security number, and the banking information for your top 2 bank accounts, as well as the credit card and expiration date you would like to charge this research to, we'll get right on that.
Did you find any of those visitors to your front doorstep particularly compelling? Did you really want to do what they were asking you to do? Probably not. But if you think about email's much the same way. It's unsolicited, unwanted, and it comes at odd times with odd requests. And if you think about it, if you do the same thing with email that you would with someone standing on your front door, you're probably going to be better off from a security standpoint. Here's the thing. Anytime someone comes to your front door with a deal that seems too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. If someone comes to your front door and they want you to do something right now because there's some sense of urgency, whether it's legal jeopardy or a deal that you're going to miss out on, gives you a little bit of a pause. You stop to think about it. And here's the other thing. You don't know anything more about who sent an email to you than you knew about somebody that wanders up on your front porch and rings the doorbell. Emails and email addresses are easy to spoof. It's easy to make it seem like they're from somebody they're not from, and you have no way, especially within the email or on your front porch, of finding a good answer to if that person that's on your front porch or that's sending you email is really the person that they want you to believe that they are. So if you get an email from someone that asks you to do something, approach it with the same skepticism that you would if somebody stepped on your front porch and asked you to do the same thing. If the answer is no, just trash the email and go on. Or separate your channels of communication and find another way of getting that information other than the guy standing on your front porch. Also, if you find this information helpful and you think you might like to get more of it, hit the subscribe button below. Ring that notification bell, and when I have one of these brain cramps and send them out on YouTube, you'll get a notification. And share it with your friends if this is information that you find helpful. I'm Woody Huffines with NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas.